How to uninstall Valorant completely? Close Valorant, open settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Valorant and Riot Vanguard. Scroll down and search it, click the three dot icon and click uninstall. Once uninstall complete after search for Riot Vanguard, click the three dot icon, click uninstall, click yes and uninstall it. Wait for some time to completely uninstall. Once the uninstall complete after close it, search for this PC, click it, click C drive, search for Riot Games, click the folder, click Valorant folder and delete it. Once deleting after close it and search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Riot Games folder. Click it. Select Valorant and Riot Vanguard folder. Once selecting after you need to delete it. After deleting close it and restart your device. So this is how to completely uninstall the Valorant in your device. Thank you.